today's part, I'll talk about the behavior of successful people. How successful people behave to get success in their life. Let's know about and get about, because good people always grab good things from anywhere or anybody. If you missed my first episode of Ready to Success that was based on habits of successful people, can go through link in description box below. Why just admire successful people when you could be successful yourself? Success isn't all about the luck. It's about all focus, determination, optimism and hard work. Changing your mindset and behaviors can be tricky at the first, but the payoff is worth the extra effort. I am Kaushik and you are watching Learn&Joy. Or please check out all my blogs on my website kaushik.com. Let's learn about successful behaviors. Let's learn about successful behaviors. Behaviors that makes you successful. Good learners, they are always learning with technology and trends, constantly changing their new skills and perspectives, learning from other successful people. They find opportunities where others see problems. Relationship builders. You can't be completely successful without working well with others. They show respect to others by listening and responding to ideas and criticism, and finding solutions that works for almost everyone. Successful people have positive thinking. They work towards their goal and establish clear goals. They know you can't make important gains without important risk. Failures are opportunities to learn and start anew. If you are not passionate about what you do, you won't stick with it. Steve Jobs. Never panic when things go terribly wrong and not according to plans. Not oversensitive. Successful people are not oversensitive. They are well known to their weak points. Successful people never waste their time. Successful people inspiring those around them. Successful people motivate others and bring out their best. Praise someone is experiencing a good feeling. Successful people think imaginatively, using new ideas instead of traditionals. Try to own these behaviors, then no one can stop you to get success. My Ready to Success series have lots of more interesting topics ahead. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get updated all my upcoming videos.